Hello, in this video I will show you how to use a shortcode in the WordPress editor. I will explain you how to do it using the simple editor of WordPress, or using the elementor. First we go to pages or posts. This depends on where you want to have the shortcode. In this case first I am going to add the shortcode using elementor. If you don't have it, you can fast forward the video where I show how to do it with the WordPress editor using blocks. Click Edit to edit the one we choose. Click on Edit with Elementor. Once we are in where we can edit, we click on the plus sign to add. Choose in which section we want to add the shortcode. In this case I chose the first block, that would be the big one. And click again on the plus sign, so that the options appear on the left to add the shortcode. There we will see a search engine and write shortcode. Click on the one that says shortcode. There we write the shortcode between brackets. Then click on Update, and if everything works we can see it. In case you want to use the WordPress editor, click on Edit. Then click on the plus sign. And in the search engine type shortcode and choose the shortcode option. And write the name of the shortcode in brackets. Then click where it says Update. That would be all.